Coming from the Ministry of Finance for immediate release. And we also have coalition of individual bond holders. And so, almost there, but now bond, you almost know.
Now, won't be satisfied.
Okay, so, my main Kenkai Asogli State, the end is the Banner Ministry of Finance, any bond for no. Press statement on the damage caused by flooding in Ho Township during the heavy rains on Saturday, July 8, 2023. This is from the Asogli State, Republic of Ghana. The Asogli State Council is deeply distressed about the severe destruction of property and the resulting misery suffered by some residents of Ho as a result of heavy rainfall on Saturday, July 8, 2023. The Council expresses its sympathies especially to those impacted directly by the floods. We share their pain and will work with the municipal authorities to offer them some support as they rebuild their lives and business. The Council is in discussion with NADMO to facilitate relief supplies to victims. We have already commenced discussions with the Municipal Assembly about long-term measures that will prevent such a tragedy from happening again. We intend to work with all the relevant agencies to map the drainage system and develop a comprehensive drainage plan, including the construction of storm drains and concrete channels to ensure free flow of water throughout Ho and its surrounding areas. We shall work together to ensure the protection and safety of our community and put in every effort to prevent disastrous flooding in future. In the meantime, the Asogli State Council is urging individuals who have farmed or built structures along waterways or on the banks of streams must be removed. Similarly, all trees and crops planted on the path or the banks of streams must be removed, and residents must desist from dumping refuse into their streams and gutters. These directives are part of immediate ongoing efforts to prevent future flooding. Thus, we urge all residents to act responsibly in order to assist the authorities in protecting our environment. The Council expresses its gratitude to the personnel of the Ghana Fire Service, the staff of the Municipal Assembly and NADMO, the media, sympathizers, and all those who have helped save lives and property. We wish to commend the Municipal Chief Executive in particular for his leadership, swift response, and the measures taken so far. The Council will continue its deliberations in collaboration with the relevant authorities to ensure prompt implementation of short-term measures while we strive to find long-term solutions. And it's signed, Stephen Tete, Secretary, Asogli State Council, and dated on the 10th of July 2023. So that's just about it. We are back to the studios. Mamenka will say, Mpensenpensemu, Abra Asebu, Kwaman Kese, Mashebe Jeni, Nimyam for Elvis, Morris, Donko, Atlas, Orabakwaba.
Yeah.
Rachel the Champo needs no introduction. Only that Yebeka Nekwa no wasem kaka, because the last time Menene Kasa Nekwa no wasem no. Na ose na ose or Cape Coast or Bar will do that conversation. Until I can assure you that road minister of Cape Coast about that no Sunday no. Timijidi said this week, there will be action on that. But Elvis Akwa baby.
Yeah, you're mine.
That's where Felix Kwacho for Su baby, But this time you have to prepare well.
You good preparation so you good pa.
You have to prepare well.
Oh mine. Last about na no at na when you hire. Na o kan sembi. Na obisaw se kai pa de nyima ekepa ese nyim
debut
yes
now how can I say minim MPO what my interview no na minim
na ofan wo kan nsem bi
really
oh yes
o share
pa
and my response was that minimum
I mean mo share after the program no after the program but my man kai I don't even need Omahin to know me as Elvis.
You need your constituents.
Exactly.
But it would be outrageous for me to say minimum. Very dangerous.
Tape no ho
then I need to check it.
But Albertina Han, Omai winning on crapo, Obi him no Ghana. Yes. No be any
on America.
No. Obi sa the man. Yeah. No, so I'm go be I don't need Obi or Ghana be able to know me. Say Abra se buka man kasefo. So what's when you ma? Nanka no pay hu Omahin. Kamazima say bottom up puma no pay. Nanka be soon
because they know you.
Na obi am nyu akwa about maybe to our backyard. Na baka je obi enyim enti awo ne go. Akaji na Abra se buka man kase a. Nipa hin na wonyim nan kase da nipa. Omahin mama eka nyina de agronyi fom. Na so obi enyim ma obi ma aja atum say
Elvis was obi enyim ma
obi describe be share me dey ma enanka media fu hu ni na wo bom deda na ka obi atem kan Ghana
na kutia bona se
ebe ma ekutia mo ekutia no me ka asem say oye na ebia menam na de bia midzimpanyfo atema ya go bi enyim wo Ghana na nka mbesi hai na nka ex-president Mahama na business ha na me afa kakrabe ma so ma no egundo
is that what Felix is doing
make there obi odebi ebiom say oye na
what a campaign
odebi me campaign oye na make show oye na make show obi ni day
yeah
oye na make show obi ni day ma camera isi muda
yeah
anka medda social media make nka obi enyim anamu o ma
when me busa question
o ma hin bisa question nu obi sigana fu enyima ebe oye na me ko wia band sika kesi bi na ko wia tama obi na ka Ghana nanka obi enyim obi enyim njo ma hin
it's form ye
mo constituency fu no mo hin amakase yes ejuma nzam de budu ye bobi pa na Abra Asebu Kwaman kase ma minki yinsiru
be mo ato aso o Abra Asebu Kwaman kase a udi trot ha obehu ba o kan kra yin na ebehu o Abra Asebu Kwaman kase a nipa 5 bien pa na mo kai mo MP wabetina so 2 times e bien pa na watimi aye wo hono 0302 211 701 equals 4 0302 211 701 equals 4. Okay, so you're trying.
Yeah, mine. I am saying this on record there. We were 265 communities.
265?
Yes, communities. There's no single community in Abra Asebu Kwaman Kase ekwa inhuman sanu jumo.
Hey.
No single community. Opia obi afra ombo community nizin. Na mention as a community. No single community. Before even becoming an MP. Abra na menye MP Abra Asebu Kwaman Kase. No, almost Ikrobia, my bibi and some busy MP so.
Are you sure?
Ayaba. Na kama aka miss obi obefre biara. But me kind of problems and challenges in you. I have challenges.
But you are doing your
best. I
best.
have problems. I have me issue power Abra Asebu Kwaman Kase. Ye car consider my MP biara.
Hey, now who are being now bisu kwa kwa.
Oh, they be.
Now who are being no. Ye ni abemu for the past yaka odi ne benchima anameboa. Odi ne hefa kra. Adamo krom ye nti ye ne kra.
Oba nka isi aban bia wo limited resources.
Hey.
Na
Adamo limited dey ye wo bia wo ti dey ne akọ ne pepepe.
But most NDC constituencies.
Ye kwa ni na.
Why ni nyina aze?
Ye dodo na.
Why ye bi? Men ka me tina nka da dodo. Because abani ba abani mi. Say hwe ne akwan records abani bia into matching on Richard Otna wonyim. But me kan ye dey constituencies go 1 year MPP constituencies. Abana ye.
You see.
Yes. I'm a constituency. Me will road challenge. In why? Osande NDC abali bi amba abra se bi
okay yenko abra machi apom ti say
ya mi Adom ho ye mpocho opening na okasa no me fi abra se bo mankase our side mpocho me fi asebu ana bisa se onimi ko bi a wo fa no abuenu ana
abuenu ho pa
o so onim ho
onim ho mpocho eba mpuntu duma na sisi a watchma ye ho
okay
ama
onyi na do
ba cho jina so
abuenu mekazi emi ina nsu nya abuenu pipe wono because baby abuenu kru no hye they didn't even have na one dance so there crap there obono pipe nsu omahin mu kwatwe nsu mi fi putu bi kru bi ofan putu bi na meze ba abuenu ande abuenu wono nsu abuenu won clinic ho omahin ma na mo bo kru no wan na wo hwehwe baby na mara meka ye baby ni yi ma inde abuenu clinic ho a abuenu fu honye baby woko ogwakaji ho na ayaresa abuenu ekwan kar kwan ama ino onye abali bia mba do kwapo ma mfa ne sakrapo nka abuenu kwanda abuenu ka kwan ye keye mo ye first class feeder road first class enam do kwapo na ento amunem it is record
okay so
abuenu hono
so abuenu go and check once you are from there
what school down do panansi I was the one who went to
kwan and which oyan oguda anado oyanda anado okotwa do anada
oye de ogudo
ye ngudo ina onye mo trouble ina
nye kra
ye kwa kafele ku ye go twai na wo fele out the send nka was the between crap gudu crap na ko be ye mande ka otumokoba
okay
omahine mpocho se ya dia mu kiu mutu ko fa ka wo hu abonu even school dampu school down crampo atretia pensam kura since and this one school down yes I made many politics but up to now be one painty a clinic your thing
okay so when the man say at least what me point out there were reporter as we speak near best man causes here and na e di baby I want me yes at the end anyway and the no Mame fra Paul it's mitidini ya Marche Paul eti say
ya mi Adom
o ka se free asebu hefa
abra asebu kamanka asebu ankasa
okay asebu yeti yeah yeti hello
me be say mi hu onka ade pa wa ye wo asebu na me hye
asebu
market Lawrence station ye pay ho nyina asebu market stores lockable nyina wo asebu ho asebu road contractor we bogudu first court onanka so ho dance there are places crap and I want to meti that's where I am there are contractor baby na kwan crap nji crap ho nyina we yi kwan otato a we gudu first court a was as we gudu second court bi asebu krom asebu mbezi MP na school feeding program we are kwapo nya asebu mara mo hwe am school feeding program asebu schools in ara nde was the school feeding program asebu the backgrounds won't give my support for asebu the background our like our pipe extension asebu since na kron pipe ba kronum na one year extension ko ikrobia 1 year extension ko baby pipe from Nanano Mabredo, a pipe beda sebu. Mara, na mo ye pipe extension. E wa sebu, nkwankra. And there are other minor was school ye.
Okay. Okay, so the visible, the all comes out here.
But ejuma we ya appalling. Ejuma ni na anye.
Now what's okay. Oh, the measurement now the measure ejuma nye. Nipa ni jira so aka asema to the juma nyina ye o susu dua be na ade susu see a person who is commenting that the juma nyina but o juma na o can the can appreciate say the what kind of sad so why do you come and say it's appalling what's your definition for something that's appalling
why wrong I say ni nyina e sa mistake kura ba e kuro no so
ba wo MP when your opportunity we anka unya kwanya enko no nko kan che say this is what you have done inti mpacho aya hwehani ye the how kakraba the sinto kakraba every opportunity that we get we want to reduce people to clear oti how catch us aya adwuma o say you appalling what's the meaning of that with impunity you come across as somebody who doesn't want to appreciate bibia no monti ase members of parliament no motia momo kaprebe no mo onye hwe wo pesua so dia you have a right to hold him responsible but don't come and describe it Najuma say you are appalling o susu dia na say you are appalling bibia na Ghana for the politics babe mu na mo ye mo emotions na mo de ye Kotena parliament na we say o pe kwan obi nete ya no o pe kwan akọ okuruma o wie asaka say you are appalling. So we have a problem as a country. Ultimately, not 2 terms. And can say, no, so boja na no this so on sa manai. Yes, I also make a car with my one, so no one what is how could one have over the table. Then for you chat one of you, March minute say,
yo, I now so about this.
Oh, Yamia Domboko, Casafin.
Make a Casafi.
Yeah, I say we at you.
In Pacho, a man in the cell baby. So, Ubika Sama. Yes, so, Yempi no, in so MP, or ye be but I don't know, Mumanka. Media be a Meka, man in the Dynamics and the Messacount. Me Pacho, media for Monamus Ghana. Say it to me for your Casama in your opportunity, Casa, Mopese Bacasa. So, just say, I don't know, you come, Mumanka.
Unka was a move, me, Unka was a Yamawa Quenya say. The nkomose media any eka mayenka o akwanya it is a one asem na oba accuse me on me mama akwanya say o member of parliament here cherewa jose theati memu for now the true na be sure say the true oba ya man yourself you better listen you better listen to me you better listen to me o ma me directed the exam me ya wan say ya mu unifiso here 2024 we are very careful about what we do here over cast media for. Oh no, you share them crowd by media. Only police station or only dobs or. What are you talking about? The media continues to play a critical role. Whether you appreciate or otherwise, that's your responsibility. That's your problem. Bibia mo pese de ya man yourself. Everything. I say original catches the NDC about MPP or what be that? You might not appreciate their level of development. But you cannot condemn that one by actually and omunye. So that trunk kitting in nada na ina a dear course of vicious cycle in terms of development. I say before, me friend will be me and I miss me friend will cry, but me friend will be. Oh, wrap up laughing.
And wrap up on this. Am I remember to hand kade master of abrasive bukamankas problems maybe. Once I don't see that. Say ye abrasive bukamankas de America crapona still a year mode to them level now. Every day, every year, be an yamara san for baba.
I know as I say now more jo mama kokasa ko such la komana mo zimunti bi da no. Also be you one of pawi one.
Or they be as make kind.
Also why ye adwuma no mo wo opia kakra na you free to any zuna.
Oh no. Oh my like I appreciate they were criticizing them maybe.
But you are not available in your constituency or what? Why is it that Omuntu ever complains bro? And now they're friendly.
I'm the most cheapest commodity ever abrasive bukamankas. Obi opedo ben bia. I'm go constituency crapo en share with no, because we are abrasive bukamankas. Mention long sleeves crapo na mo constituency that. They be am share t-shirt na meslepes.
Okay, so mess up also.
Must set up office crapo abrasive bukamankas.
Oh yeah, onina o de hwe nipa so hwe no. Na banka de o
MP officer. O ma hin obi tina ho a e be complaints nara.
Okay.
Complain 24/7.
Only pending commerce, they will see a friend
some command.
265 communities, every community.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so Kwaku Sosu, we are retired teacher, Efijasi, a belated happy birthday. If my senior sister Christy Hona, a debro, name mommy. So, for Kwaku Sosu, we are retired teacher, Efijasi. Happy birthday, Sonko, and for more. Rich, yeah, bro. Hey, sometimes I'm wondering how you guys cope. Because it's easy. No matter what you are doing or you have done, we are still expecting the other transaction. But when the constituency, is it really easier to go by? Why be?
My manners and I'm in chair for. I'm say, me and my shebe journey, me name say the system no is it here. Actually, me shada antenna constituency ho. Trying to chum, to me and pass judgment. That will be BL. But as a member of parliament, at least you fix him. He was not. And I don't expect to say, yes, but at least almost almost friend, no. So, crop boss be and also to me identify BBI then. Why you crum? What I say, but at the end of the day, any partner say, "I Paul, in painting." Not say why BB.
I said, "I'm making at least why
in the castle why BB? And then mom, dano actually painting my exactly. And I be say, who started so on your shade? I feel the other project na o say I Paul.
I'm so I'm making.
It's another now you're my shebe journey. Sometimes some commentary what na so an share ho so a wanu ye no e be kwa koye bibi basa well anu ye no bi bete asem na nkasa nipa ka che on onte enti na we be conclude te na shebe dwani pa na e kasase but not nipa no emphasize so wa she wa horoba to the point ojuma bi enye enti am the so no nkasa nipa to abem 7 years ni na all complaining say na kwan
yeah
enti na me am bia east
so am say dey e be die yakora e dey
next ya somebody en kakra because ya bisa one question bisa nti hu minister no kra hu do so ko bisa ne bio because am no o ka o se nya sika e be ba beye e bi na o hwe am say
buffer stock
this dispatch people
bibi what dispatch what say
aban so was set aside 27 million Ghana cedis for agenda 111
or dispatch right
Chronicle.
Okay. Okay. 27.5 million for agenda 111 motorway projects
and motorway projects.
That's say you know Japan for na dey because of a contract you know or Japan or ne chief engineer Christian what Christian Inti and a larger bus.
When or just say a buying as set aside in the church say say a bicycle no government of Ghana they can want me
motorway the expansion of motorway in there
what I say
yeah but a different project under the motorway.
Well that's it yeah
because I'm not saying I'm sakwan so especially o ba o fit my ba o di agro but o catch I just used it yesterday yes
but what baby
no my assembly say about the contractors about 15 billion Ghana cedis. In this war 27.5 which is about 325 million Ghana cedis. Aden na onfan kote ekane so na contractor nya hoden.
No sami
janye segment. I would come new contractor.
But we new contractors.
I mean old contractors.
Old contractors. Yes. Like motorway agenda 111. They are all old contractors.
Yeah,
so the government want to proceed with agenda 111 project. So this is
motorway na put $4.2 million for motorway no. Na me say contractors no de makadada. Adan na untua saka no munya hoden mobilize omo workers enfan kokwane so. What as buffer stock issue the same thing they play out. You know what they are doing? Omo de omo ka omo ntua sika ne momo. Abanso e so supply nuaniko schools no. Inti omo aja omo de omo ka na si ho. And no more new suppliers.
And they are dangerous.
That's the issue. I just listened to them yesterday.
But that's dangerous. That's unfair.
And now I'm also say almost system for years. It's all new people now they contact me. I'm say bomb. No man can say.
So deal with the old guys.
Deal with them, pay the part of the debt, give them resources so they can also deliver.
Is that the
I one kwaku that's the leader. One young man be the spokesperson. Me tell you why you TV. Yes. A very intelligent person.
I'm a domain almost sure almost sure on
No, this Kwame me right name the amount.
See, but at times
me bo na bo.
My way Kwame
sorry.
Bon, it me worry they say e ka de yin say aban no ontie aban de ka. No kwa wasaka won say common fund area say yon ba be channel because the whole 2022 common fund kura no muntua.
Na sa de na mo kana ya ampa na mo.
The whole of
2022.
From January to December.
Yes.
No.
It's
not true. It's not true.
It can't be possible.
Please.
My memoir. My memoir.
Normal, but in two across is dangerous.
Yeah, that's why I'm surprised.
Elvis, my memoir.
Yeah, Rich, I'm surprised. Oh.
Sir, quarter nidra. Quarter nidra. Yeah. No, my assessment. Chodo about wajiji na. The percentage I say common fine. If I say 5%, no a slap percentage on the total receipts of revenue. No, actually, tama common fine. Say okay, 350 million is due for this quarter. But physical cash, no,
David Babisan say the whole of 2022. Is he saying there? Assembly be organized.
But what he has done, there's an admission that this amount of money is
please call the assemblies and ask them. The common fund for 2022. If they've received any common fund allocation.
I want a problem. No one. It's a common fund. Eco banks, Kobobosia. No, must send this no. I'm assemblies, no. I'm paying interest. No. I'm paying interest on it.
But that should not be the case.
That shouldn't be the case. I remember the committee. No. I know what I'm talking about.
Fine, that should not be the case.
Okay, maybe what is it?
Overburdening the assemblies now.
Now, who was he? Can I would be interest?
No, he's not talking about the assembly. The money not going to the assembly, but he has brought in a different issue.
Ministry of Finance is refusing to transfer the money to common fund.
Why do I have to go to the bank to go?
Yes, I'm paying interest.
Whilst I have a legitimate legal process of me receiving.
I am not on that committee, so I can't really speak. But he is saying there.
But he can say that if that is a but he can say
that common fund.
But hold on. Did they come to did that money that you claim that it has gotten to the assemblies no? Through the normal process I discover assembly, or the assemblies are going for it from a different source which is attracting interest.
That's the point. Abana kasa jet to my publishing paper and none of pay catch will say obey common fund arrears. Nesika no chan
yes, that doesn't mean they won't
come and no, when you left power you were owing 2 years, two quarters.
Yeah. Difference is say arrears na ye jan ho no. Na ye sika ye tue bi na biaka but on the whole 2022 no on Sunday a dime.
Okay, so you better could try one ba because this would
I really but what I say
you try one but see ba e be bonidi nti mengo kan sar eno no then makanti o wrap up nento asi
oma hene medivian aban especially Minister of Finance say omo set up eye adwuma ye dey ahye omo nsa I don't think I make us say no what you say individual bondholders yes and then come picket Minister of Finance and anadwu ya omo issue statement say omo sika no omo eden etua momo the question is say so omo threaten aban na aban yana so ko betua sika na momo na what about debt exchange program I suspend the payment of interest and principals I will be as a nene second sika and then insanka kakra na aka obi eye pensioner wode beto aduru anom wode betua ne rent wode betua ne school fees no ebra no so a aban say me ntwe sika no gise nipa no be ma so mudede ya ansa makoko twe sika na ama mo be no unimo commitment unimo obligations on you as a state akwaje obi sika say odi eden bo o my way ho bra time so for ne sika mana ono gise nipa ekotena bonten eye de dance no twe sika na ma no hwe ma me mpanyifo e na no mko da bonten be 3 days na mko ya mo say ye ba ma mo dan amama dem na dan nipa menu bia ba da dan ba ku kope mi say no more barriers of issues no nti who da no unim say baba stop wo de isan krofoneka it is amamo be pa ni we tax revenue o man wagigi sika no say loan akwakoji o ade a ye to bia no yicha eto ho COVID the crowd say na COVID ka ho ne ho chiri ade abeto bia COVID levy 1% said that so enti COVID sika na omode bo COVID brand ye tu amade de amomo ojiji say sika we nyina wie a aba be ka kire say common fund na mintua contractors na mintua moka omo amode nua na ko schools through buffer stock o mintua moka individual bond holders omo so I work jumbo sense o mintua ba o tibi say sika efri akọ asend off akwa by election so audio bi ababonten chama bi ka say omo police station kwa no 600,000 and e ba ho
debi yenti sa voices na mo yeti voices anka mo moy
utie na de na person tie
ade na say favor na o jere de obekumi
o de na person tie untie we ye tiasi ye kun etie keta se no pro ye
voice bi ba amushum ma voice bi ba de amushum eno no de amamushum no
de hu ye ka ho asem o ja say unye sika ntua contractors ka ba unye sika akwa by election ko tua 300 200
na o so tie asem
how did they went to be
yeah there is some good news ye ko preach good news at the moment
almost say you throw be lead prompter
o ja say ya ko form enu ko di nkomo
but I very serious say the whole of 2022 say sika say kwa assembly assembly no timi gina na so yi enkoe na mpo di akono ye ko gibesi
a borrowed fund
nsi hu ba say sika no
dem ye say aban etiminya sika kotua interest no na wo sika de ada na wa wonyi sika bra unkotua interest bia wo
no okay so but ukrom for sukrum Massacrum, is that correct? Massacrum, a large crum. Almost say cheap compounds be away or a bomb ye pa.
Oh, yes, me sing each hour.
Okay.
Cheap compound there, you know, it make say more than 7.
Okay.
With 2020 year back about 6 na me hojuma.
Okay.
About call a nkontakese a large crum, massa, kase, camp 15.
Okay.
A chance. This is
a double room teachers bungalow.
Yes.
Camp Junction, police station.
Police station can say a count of course, a commission, Mr. Dinana Jane.
Yeah.
And I continue. What call quarantine no police won't contain.
Yeah.
Not on my police station where who our commodore say Yanchuntum. No, sounds when you know WC were home, my 2 ties. Very beautiful police station.
All right, yeah. Okay, so where was
the DCP, a member common fund. Yes, abandons the assembly in the cow. Minimum the assembly in welcome. There would hear Bibi Kakrana was a swanassin. Memphis district, Abrasi Bukamankas and Fanyan for district mainly depends on the common fund because IGF over the gym are feeling about 400,000 the whole year. Not today. All that can build will be about 3 or 6 unit classroom block. And see, when I was in Paye, or common funding. Say one bar and assembly one which one. But minimum issue in
the new Patriotic Party member of Parliament for Botiano English among from concerns the Greater Accra region, Sylvester Tete, has revealed that the administrator of Common Fund has been borrowing to pay district assemblies. He said the worrying aspect is the interest accrued on the loans the administrator is taking to defray some of the debts owed the assembly. The District Assembly Common Fund is currently in arrears of about 6 quarters, of which the Finance Ministry made payment of 2 quarters. The arrears span from 2018 to 2019, 2020 to 2021, and 2022, yet government has been collecting revenue but is unable to dedicate the 5% as required by the Constitution. That is why many regional coordinating councils and district assemblies have become dysfunctional. The Minister of Finance, in a response as to why government has failed to honor that constitutional mandate, said the current financial constraints make it difficult for government to pay timely. And speaking on this on an interview with Akwesinsia on Badwam on Adom TV, Sylvester Tete, one of the aggrieved majority caucus members who are up in arms against the finance minister, said nothing can make it justifiable for the delay in payment of the common fund. The 1992 constitution requires that 5% of the total revenue is dedicated to this Assembly Common Fund, he said. He added that though previous administrations over the years have defaulted in paying timely, it cannot be allowed to go on.
But when did he?
That's just some few days back.
Okay. Yeah.
Richard, 2 months. Yeah, I asked you to move. 2 months.
Amount of media, bad decency, me number one. Me can't sama minim hoshe. Everyone was say, Minia Elvis, or JHU, but one me finance committee member, as a local government committee member, and in some year, and minim.
But my American day, say, Okabade. 2022 skebia anko assembly for 2022 common fund portion of the assembly sir I want to mention too but I was not there linking between the common fund administration and the Ministry of Finance.
Yes,
that's what you want to say but generalizing those skebia 2022 common fund won't hear obia bodwene there skebia kwa ponko assembly ho yes common fund administration was assembly senekau.
Yes, July
yes.
2023.
Yes.
One quarter across someone year.
In Pada E or your normal.
Then normal.
No, maybe. I normal.
And now Sylvester Cracker.
Oh my, so repeating through baby, but not done in the crib. And normal.
They won't tell me. The Edikai. A new one say it.
Yes, exactly.
But who personal? O modern born say. When you were exiting, no, the 2 quarters.
No, 3 cry. 3.
2. I count on 2
plus arrears.
Whether you bet 20 years and 2 the issue is that a new consequence is yatiti every at source. You didn't remove from Basa financial constraints.
Yes.
Yate for this purpose. Simple. And that's why we have to arrive at whether a quarter or 2 or 3. Maybe that no. Finance would be maybe they are not quarter or 2 ni say processing of
there be no 1 quarter there be no a quite arrears by 1 quarter nti say fa say nka ye world July mu say no at least first quarter there's so much here not we say no so the next quarter no much there be because of accounting for it now that they know 1 quarter be ko nti say 1 quarter will be anka ho asem
but Richard asma mpeda meka nyina anye de say 2 quarters wa be dem a onya fofor
Richard is looking for an improved
but make it better
there's an admission that
make it assemble
here the 2 akam nenye I don't know
okay one wasn't oman say ka 2 amazon ho yaw no ya 3 plus arrears P.
But he still insists that it was not good.
Good.
So the improved version of Padma GSC actually.
Yes. Nanka ame momeze manka mo hwehwe nye de. Nanka waji skering na ewie. At least 1 quarter ayen nyina ye kan. Nanka wanya da no wakem one za no oye. But me mom bat na ha mbe no ho so abofo. De mo hona aban neze. Not that, but what if you are abandoning? I don't want to be very much political, I pay. But when people make sure there, make normal because one answer with you from 2 years down the line, answer with you abandoning. They were always owing at times a whole year crowd won't be.
But the MPP is in power. What is your difficulty in appealing to our finance minister?
Good.
What's your difficulty?
Make it do.
And is it not the case? It does appeal to the finance minister and the ministry. That financial constraints cannot be a part of reasons why common funding because it's deducted. Assembly is moving keen.
Example. I'm going to be a record in Aberdeen. Remember now some kind of master man.
Bia mo baba be chechiri.
O my
say put ni ekwa ni mpa na nchiri mu ba.
O my
you have defaulted in payment. The finance minister is assigning reasons that are not reasonable. Say no nti na mo default. Ade a makoto akoko. Je fanko oto akoko a oto ya ga utaga na ma. Majim sika makoko mame. Ozi akoko no sika na majino na akoko no ana afi na meko dako farms so before ameko akati farms. Me fam full farms at home into the train kakra me. Oji sika ne say o mama akoko no way.
O my still mama can you there
hey and every so cancer power
oh man can
we should get out of explanations and defense we should just tell the needed agencies and authorities that this is not good for us as a country like Ghana. You cripple the development of the assemblies and the development of assembly in Potomac.
One of the newspapers yes, I use my district as an example. American, they basically depend on the common fund. And it's a common fund number here, assembling one which one. But my message to my case to do so there. Yes, Albania admits that there are challenges. Challenges statutory fund
continues to admit that there are challenges, but we don't see efforts be our own year.
There's been effort. Oh my, it busy one dance there about 6, 7, 8 months ago. Nende difference album. One can see busy one dance. Make case to do make case to do there. Yes, you in the abanon offers K waha now as Abashaha now why the chess. Aban mostly aban biara because say aban on him the mazi ebia bibia ba aban him the mazi pa o mahin odoye o mahin meba aban him the odoye ofa bi fia na ofa bi fia ama isu no ba no so wa fia but me nyina yere kan they say common fund scan na nko assemblies na omo won hododo wan na ye bado na nyina ya toto as finance minister what
appeal to the finance
I
have condemned what is happening.
Don't me yesterday there. Me use my district as an example.
I am matter of law.
When did you know the matter?
Article 252 of the Constitution. As minister said, by the end of every quarter.
When did you reach the Constitution?
More than 5%.
But when we ono penso de omo ye no amwa
omo enye omahin metina ha ma ja to
has been sincere with it.
Yes, but on the nyina ye to as finance minister there common fund this can omo nko na assembly sim won ha
but court we matter of law
na kwa wa so court ada na wa no enya gan if India because no otumo ze ni so court but nyina ye resre there yen assembly sim Minister, we heska na was a yejuma. Ye besre. De say ereche wa abodu mehu da abodu no asha ase wojeche. Hu baby the common fund crapo. Skebi ko I saw it somewhere.
Yes, so mo can yes. Actual payment.
But still oroko. Nti me yesre ebiriko onkwa. Me yesre nye de. Ontum na onyamo.
Okay.
Ebiriko. This week ya mehu de ebiriko.
Kabo research.
Mejido kabo mechiao. Me said de ma this week is in Orokwan. Arrears na oho nyina nka 2022 zini nyinara.
Enso sunko.
Onso nonko. Na ya ba 2023 na wait to release this kama assembly so.
Okay, so that's
maybe 2018.
Elvis Morris don't call a member of parliament for Abra Asebu Kwame.
Politicians.
I don't know him Richard. And then the cost will be and then the best person he has ever met in journalistic.
And then the
okay, but Rich, I don't know they are afraid as a move institutions of state because and never one you we say at the actual court here in women block your solidarity and they our former president and your flag bearer say we will resist and prevent any sinister plot on the part of the EC. At the EC for no more plots be mutimi ye na fe mo say mo she mo roma mo ja mo kopen na
o my o nse o mo di CIB ba parliament CI ni mu no eno mo kire say answer na obetwire odin na wanya voter ID no ise okuta Ghana card nko a ka national voucher system e wo ho obetimi e de o passport and as old voter ID say we will be a obetimi de akọ na ejina so aye de ama ma me say de aka nyina so nti oni Dr. Serebomu say this a Ghana card nko na ekuta nipa na wetima twa ni din anya voter ID ka akwakoto aba say 2020 voter population na yaba 16 million 2020 abe ekoto ye it is about 17 million me no can say NIE cars some printed is about 16 million into that alone kwa say nipa be 1 million any card e bro say because minus e wo NIE system no omo 15 years e to catch them say me my radio me pe Ghana card Some no can say nya dem register amanfo print Ghana card amount. Omo say omo ye no regional base. Nti me wa double chroma. E say me fa ka ko yo so. E say ko tue sika for that service. Na ka sika kwa no be free double ko yo so no. But menya say sika no. And what's the guarantee say me ko ba ko am sabeka. Eti me dem I ready say register ma me Ghana card no. Wo si woni sika o de be ye. The ma print ko mu nya sika emfa nko rans enko chiche emfa ma manfo no. But when electoral commission who person will lie on this very card and still be a voter ID card. Nipa no sisi mo fa card no ma me na me ko twem ni so card no so emfa ma nipa no. And the I'm say October November ye ba this level elections. Nipa no be da kwa koto aba. Wanya 18 and above or person okotwere ni de wo sisi oni Ghana card a untwere ni din. Enye tirimupo bi e na wo bo say o pese aye nipakuo bi omudi ema register nim na aye MPP etima win elections no. Say enye saade a aden na voucher system na order da no. Yen fan ka ho because community there obi enim obi a ana say onfa ne passport. Em say yen pa nyina na o passport. But any aye ID card ekute ne purchase oye Ghana ni no. Ada na use sa system no. Obi a na not to system electoral commission so mpene. Adwene be na tachire. A state institution. Adwuma na wo ye no ye de ama hwan. Wo ye de ama timamofo. Timamofo no so say we na wo ye ebeboaye. Wo se chinchin twan me ntie. Etu ni tirimupo bi a nka betu sa na mo no. Into my it's not about NDC. It's about majority of the people they will not get opportunity to register and vote. There wasn't back or talk about them so MPP and NDC. Ghana card there will be a miss also NDC and no MPP. We are talking about Ghanaians who have 10, 18 and above and who want to register and vote. And what's some the Euro Mama Ekano and then yeah dear so better say am sign them SC. So it's not about state institution. It's about the behavior of some characters in some state institutions. And you can say
it's about the behavior
of some characters in some state institutions.
And yes, state institutions in our
country. The institution no problem.
You probably know what's an institution.
Almost no buy. And you can't say say it's about leadership. It work as a tenacity be someone say. Idea me ye. Ebeboa. And now you say me ni sika sisi ya. It mean to me print card no be o here card ni bi. O say card na me gina so e dey register manfo. But never me my ready, mo metwere me din. Omo say ni sika be twere odin. But electoral commission catch say me nya card na on twere me din. Card no so nipa no de be mam na say oni sika de be mam.
Okay. Elvis me woman Samuel Ofori ene omo kaka no omo de egu me so. Wo fa ho adi. Say all kasa no. Ye man kwan kra mani ntimi nka asem potin opese oka. Ebasa na ya kan nyensem no timatwe me ho wada ma fa ho se
Omayan medasi Omayan for some time now NDC for war drums bi wa Ghana na yakwato aba ye be hedam even before 2020 abato e bi ho dance oh would this why ebotwa yipa ye kambaje kregu krapa ma ezemi no krapa hands on fa hen ho na se akadam nsemi nyinara wankasa nankasa yipa na ono obopo ya ban wa akoto aban ana obenya dam awreshem na akokuduru na oza akoto aba ono ye wan ya to 2020 ewie 2020 ya to aba ni wie yi pe na was work court is work court obisa woni mpanyimfo binum de oh ana strong room ho okesi dan na won wo so bi ewie honen asema yin fa kan do eya kwa krapo bomenti wanfa eya anka ho biscuit anka ho o man yenyi Ghana ha anti
no correct
thank you rich nketi ti no
oh
dem pede meti de ti anada
ozako fada babe
all the man say
one man tea but one man tea bread anka ho na one man biscuit so anka ho obisa one general secretary then they are ekekawa ba ne boma ahini nyen up to now wentum na wanka nanso otum na oyi Ghana nyinara obi ate de obi ewiaw on ye fanto nche asana omahin nye nyina ya ate ase de now elections are being won at a polling station. Me who hawa polling station A, them polling station B, them polling station C, the economy na mo figure he used to figure ni mu hawa Richard obibo bi o ma wa yi. The voters register from 1992 we've actually come a very long way. O man say kaya na ye choose ni keke a mfonyin bi anka ho. And na yanka say MP for ye propose electoral reforms. Yes, okay. So ye zini keke and say yemfa mfonyin yemfa anka ho. Into black and white mfonyin na was bay. Let yes, okay. Black and white mfonyin na abaze. Na still lapses bi wom. Na meza mfonyin ni yanya na colored. Na yesanso yemfa yenkokomotiri yemfa ntimodo. Ama obi ehu de kokomotiri ze timodi. Or Yaro Richard, our friend biometric. Also, yes, baby. Going forward, in the electoral commission, okay. Now, you put a gun for todo woba. Na what to happen be? One of one's no what register no moon. Richard, Minjis do Baka one for Ghana card and Kobi Mansana, one more to aba. Is that the case?
So more,
oh, they be
so more 10, 18.
Richard, oh, they be, but I can't cut down one of one's no what register no moon. Why 1 point I. Eka bibi 1 point bibi na one wa register crap where 16,000 as they pay it's not actually 1 million you better prevent one from vote. It is not true.
Yes,
that's what you said.
No me say
but their names are already in the register.
No I want to me
that's what you said.
Me say 2020 voter register 17 million.
Okay.
And then I catch it so register nipa 16 million. It is a final raw crop na nipa be 1 million.
Okay.
But their names are already in the register.
No, me ba.
Their names are there.
How would you know?
One kasa akade will register nimpa 17 million. 16 million when your card. So 1 million na obrodin. What's in the woman did out? So what are you talking about? No, what are you talking about?
Maybe 50 years request free.
Oh, maybe essay. Essay. Obi hari. Mama kasa awu me timer.
Okay.
Asema can you there? Asema can you there? One wa register wo Ghana ha. Where 17 million and I'm woman here. One when your Ghana card. Where 16 million. You know, you put 1 million now when you want Ghana card and when you want to aba and I'm them okay.
They're not a erratic frequency. A difference of 1.2. What is almost mean yes car. Sanko for we in a bit metro and son about to yes.
But I saw make any day. One of one's in woman is it? Oh, what did that?
Yeah.
On the card. They have their card. No one or cut to aba or be able to there. Oh, Richard. Richard Mankasa. Ebe Mankasa. So them 1 million okay. It's not starter. On the crap was on boom cry. Then yes, you know from na. Worry bad. One now worry bad. One way here. Then when you want to register the moon.
About what I want to do 18 and above. No.
Exactly. But one crap apart from that, no crap. And I if was register and for 800,000 crap card in the crap 1 kg. Just match yeah. About releasing 100 million. One day, one corner, one phone register for one print. So that means that you may see working. They've shown commitment that obey. Pepper that obey. Abanso show commitment that also obey. So where is this coming from? The Obi and register. And I'm saying, one and the MP before Penna was one for Ghana card and register.
In try one by or is better one. Monoswas, when I say baby on Adom TV, multi TV. So a lot of your interesting text messages. I'm sure we'll come back and have a conversation proper on these matters. But why is it a who for only believe you more? Facebook, the commentary around you on our page here, very interesting.
That's it.
I won't believe you more.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's appalling.
That's
the expression.
Thank you so much.
Now I understand why the MPs were also among Casa Parliament, but don't make a mistake. If you venture into their area now, both they are a different entity altogether.
Yeah, politics and sanity.
Yeah.
Obi on a strength.
Yeah.
I remember former speaker and then DC. Or can say more floor or say you can stand here and speak all the good English. If you don't go to your
and I think that is the trump card with what I'm reading here.
Yeah, but mine, young so man, we are born, but as I can about a Ghana card now, Mahamas working or drum a war a drums. Richard say we want to deprive their
people from
voting. Now, mine a friend so was 18 now. When you know where this for.
You cannot identify.
But I see we want to.
But the electoral commission said that offices be continuous.
And what would
still in operation?
Yes. They have office in every single district in Ghana.
But so why is the noise?
They have 276 offices. Oh, maybe.
The Ghana card.
Requirements no na can want me.
Amahin.
Office dey say.
And the Ghana card for so many brew so mo.
Amusu ni sika.
And Richard,
eh na wa ba.
Richard.
Ama bibi ha me.
Oma asema ye kanye there. Asi ex-president Mahama wakasa no so. We want to disenfranchise their people from voting and amabwa. So meaning there a MP before Ashada and what's the woman NDC phone Ghana card.
The institution electoral commission or attack.
But as some American there, those who will be voting one hour when you Ghana card now was back on voters ID. How do we even know the way NDC
MPP
exactly Richard. Richard, it doesn't even come in. Number farmer wa be nyina so ebe when you dey akọ school free abani orbo no ho bazin mahin nkan ya kwa yen MPP fu kwa na ko de yesu e wada mazi ho but ohwan aye mo da worusu obi anje wo ba na rusu da wo ba ayo on nti asema Mahama ex-president Orakan Richard one kasa nyim egitum da asema it is neither here nor there orusu amadachi bi se when we ni bie mo baka da come kind. But Richard, we still have time. Easy for NIF, they have 276 offices across the country. So that means that every constituency there's an office. So by the time about what time in the boardroom? About
October, yeah.
I see.
You better about October, yeah.
We are still registering them.
They are not.
Richard, from March here, I'm releasing them 100 million. Oh no. They have printed the card over 800,000.
And they are printed, but 5 million.
Yes, but 1 kg.
Two things happen. You see, or more prestige, How bank go at 250.
Yes, a penny.
And the old and they may open will be unsure. The process now cast out the Bejo card.
Yeah.
Process now Bejo card. Nothing has changed. The only thing that is pending now, Sika Okan wants them say. Men control me the make commoners and the Jim details in a co Mabeti and Can. A Hona and Peru on a card, Nick Kemono.
Say, Upon trading and
Richard,
Menoka,
Richard, I said, if you class constituency, I will tell you if you class constituency.
People come to me with their complaints. I'm Richard,
don't do Richard, don't do you're a mamma cadet. Can't as a mere kind there.
Run the door.
So, yes, a be him, so said you pay for him. And for so be you the was started the orbo into qua a double. Yaboko, a catch a gunner for the book no yet.
No, I saw
institution or say any part being more institution.
Why the yes, the omboa.
I don't want to believe that this is the response after NDC route to the Council of State. Dr. Pierre Haynes' EC appointment. We prioritize scale over politics. Council of State replies NDC. I don't want to believe that is the response.
Yeah, but the
hawk.
But one and all, on my mind, one and all what is you are on to Abba. African on to Abba. No for Canunia on to Abba.
Hey, Radi Jacopo.
Oh, they be African on to Abba.
Whatever say.
African on to Abada. No, EC commissioners, I don't want to Abba.
Ubit Makasa for that die should need by the idea. Emma emu ye rem kakra ma o ka.
But one why me who subani be why then? Not why then? I mean why? Catch me. Catch Lagana for
we saw MPP communicate.
So nim the why.
Adey. We saw Tescom Petro.
Why then? It's why then?
Also why then?
Doesn't does he qualify or he doesn't qualify to be there?
Hey,
and okro issue one. Waka be o me nyina ye hu.
No, that is not
the response when they are dangerous.
Oh, dangerous. Waka be o baby.
No, let's keep you out here.
No.
But are you saying that who say official EC chairman Obekazi? Are you comfortable?
Yes. So you establish fundamentally.
Are you comfortable that
fundamentally
I'm saying that are you comfortable that Ofusu becomes an electoral?
I am not comfortable. But that does also make him a human was action inside because only BB actually why BB was be. But may I can day Yenram Hammer only issue be
as some okay
Yenram Hammer only issue be
this no
Yenram Hammer only issue be may I can day want the benefit of the doubt. No for you the benefit of the doubt. Richard
Bible say
may I can day want the benefit of the doubt. No
what I say.
Okay, so
why na wanye ne ya Ghana fu obi abaka de nka wohuni
me de obi bia se wa wanye bra wa hwe bia.
Thank
you so much. Na me ya de mention na ebeshia.